Today let's study the new drug Sarsaparilla, which is very good homeopathic medicine for the renal colic. It is a wonderful medicine for the urinary trouble as well as skin ailment. The Sarsaparilla root is a best known as a flavoring beverages and keeping with the benefits of such herbal drink. It's said to grant health and happiness and to prolong life. The mother tincture is prepared from the dried root or a rhizome. Okay. Mostly the clinicals of sarsaparilla are asthma, bladder affection, bone affection, breast affection, bright disease, nephrotic syndrome, catarrh, constipation, fever, gonorrhea, gout, gravel, herpes, rheumatic skin trouble, urinary disease, etc. In In the Western countries, the sarsaparilla is used as a flavoring agent in sodas. It is energetic drink. The common name of sarsaparilla is a wild licorice, family Smilaceae, which is nature of order Smilaceae is come under the family Liliaceae. Okay, the prover is Dr. Hahnemann. It's prepared from saturation tincture of the dried rhizome. It is found out throughout the India, Himalayas, in Jamaica. Okay, the duration of action is 35 days. Diathesis is lithic diathesis, miasm, syphilitic, psychotic, and soric. This herb is considered an excellent blood purifier. Okay, in Western countries, there is one stigma that sarsaparilla contains the steroidal anabolic steroids, okay, testosterone like, but the steroid contained in sarsaparilla are not anabolic steroid, nor are they converted in the body to anabolic steroid. The testosterone has never been detected in any plant including sarsaparilla, remember. So these are not a steroidal active principle. Okay, next, this is the sarsaparilla plant and berries. Sphere of action: duty, skin, bones, right lower extremity. This remedy is a right-sided remedy. Okay, pathophysiology. What is a pathogenesis? It acts on kidney and urinary organ, producing renal colic, bladder stones, and consequential urinary trouble. It also acts on skin using various kind of eruption, rash, cracks, and fissure. Okay, ragged like skin, the fissures on the palms, feet. Furthermore, rheumatic affection, periostal pain, etc. Okay. Next, therapeutic value. Okay, we have already seen the clinicals, renal colic, maras, pus, raggets, etc. Okay, mind. So, anxiety, trembling, thinking about the food he has eaten causes nausea, gloominess, moroseness, ill humor, impatient, thinks she cannot bear the headache, child cannot bear the itching. So, next is the guiding symptoms. Okay, first is elements from. Remember, the Hahnemann's provings have amply justified the above fact that the it is also kind of a restorative after an exhausting course of mercury. Okay, so main elements from is abuse of mercury. Okay, suppression with the sulfur or a mercury. Okay, vaccination, summer heat, cold air. Elements from mercury abuse, then syphilis or a suppressed gonorrhea. Next, guiding symptoms. This remedy has many features as to cold and heat. The use of heat generally aggravates all the complaints. Okay. So next is what there is an external coldness which relieved by heat. Taking warm food and drink aggravates. Wants cold food, but heat applied externally is a grateful. Okay, this is opposite to cecal core. Dr. Kent has explained in his lecture about the comparative study of cecal core and sarsaparilla. Okay. Next guiding symptom is it is a right-sided remedy like Lycopodium, Bryonia, Calicap, Causticum and Sanguinaria. Next is the headache. Okay. Headache, periostal pains generally from mercury, syphilis or suppressed gonorrhea. Children faces like old people with an enlarged abdomen, dry flabby skin and herpetic eruption on the body. There are ulcers after abuse of mercury. Skin is dry, itch like eruption, unbearable pain while urination. At the conclusion of urination, just as urine ceases to flow. Okay, the other remedies are Berberis vulgaris, Medorhinum, and Thuja. Passage of gravel, red sand in urine is a red line symptom of sarsaparilla. Okay, renal colic, stone in a bladder, bloody urine. Urine is a bright and clear but irritating, scanty, slimy, flaky, and pass without sensation. Deposits a white sand, painful distension and tenderness in a bladder. Okay. Urine dribbles while sitting and passes freely while standing. This is the characteristic symptom of sarsaparilla. Air passes from urethra, sand in a urine on a diaper, and child screams before and while passing the urine. Gonorrhea, checked by cold, wet weather or mercury, followed by rheumatism. Neuralgia or a renal colic, there is excruciating pain from right kidney downwards. Genital, there is intolerable stench on the genital organs, fluid pollutions, bloody seminal emissions, and retraction of nipples. Next, rheumatism, bone pains after mercury, eruption, itching eruption on a forehead during menses, ragged means skin having cracks. Okay, hard skin, indurated skin.